Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab. And today we're on Cash App and I'm going to show you how to add money onto your Cash App account. Okay, so this is the Cash App home screen. You can just think of Cash App as another bank account, a separate checking account, or a separate wallet. So you can just send money to this wallet and store it here. And then from this wallet, you can make peer-to-peer payments. They have a card that's attached to your wallet, so you can buy stuff and get discounts. Like this one is $1 off at coffee shops, and they have all of these. Or you can buy and sell Bitcoin as well. We're talking about how to add money into your Cash App wallet. So you want to go to this section in the tab bar all the way to the left. So if you're brand new to Cash App, or if you don't have it yet, you can sign up with the link down in the description. There's a few steps, you know, the standard stuff like create an account and all of that. But then you'll probably have $0 right here. I have $12.16 in my balance. But basically all you need to do is scroll down. You can add a debit card, add a bank account, or add a credit card. I believe if you add a debit card or a bank account, there's no fees. It's going to be completely free to add cash or cash out. If you add a credit card, it's going to be a small fee. So basically I just added a debit card. And if you want to add a debit card or a bank account, just tap on this little add button here. So I can add a bank account this way. I can add a credit card. Looks like the credit card fee is 3%. Or you can add a debit card. That's what I do. There's no fees for debit card. Then all you want to do is tap the giant add cash button. You can add however much you want to your account. I'll just add $10 right now. Tap that, scan my fingerprint. And it says you've added $10 to your Cash App. So I have 10 extra dollars in my Cash App wallet. I can also cash out. You know, I could send $10 back to my bank account if I want to do that. Tap cash out, and it looks like there's two options. If I send it now, I can wait 2 days and there'd be no fee. I'm just going to cancel this. Let's do that again. So no fees if I do a 2-day wait period, or I can do it instantly for a 25-cent fee. I would default to waiting 2 days, but I have no reason to even cash this out, so I'll just leave this in here right now. But that's how you do it. That's how you add money to and from your Cash App wallet for free. There's not going to be any fees or anything like that. Cash App is super dope, super clean, super easy to use. I highly recommend it. I also do an experiment where I buy $1 Bitcoin every single day. I've documented the whole journey here on the channel, so you can check that out in the Cash App playlist as well if you're interested. Go ahead and buy today's $1 Bitcoin. Confirm. Just like that, we bought today's Bitcoin. Just dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every single day. It's an experiment to see what will happen. Let's go to the 1-year chart. So I've been buying, you know, since this zone right here, I think. Something like 260 days. And I've about 1.25x'd my money. So there's that. There's the overview of Cash App. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Check out the Cash App playlist. There's tons of tutorials. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard.